Mesclun salad with truffle vinaigrette. It's a dish that whispers luxury. This isn't your everyday salad. It's a special occasion treat. Imagine delicate greens, coated in a rich, earthy dressing. It's an explosion of flavor, a symphony of textures. This salad is all about quality ingredients. We're talking about the freshest Mesclun greens and the most fragrant black truffles. They are the stars of this dish. The truffle vinaigrette brings it all together. It's a simple dressing, but it's packed with flavor. Mesclun salad with truffle vinaigrette is a true culinary experience. It's a dish that will impress your guests. It's also surprisingly easy to make at home. So why not treat yourself to a little luxury? This salad is perfect for a romantic dinner, a special celebration, or anytime you want to feel a little bit fancy. So go ahead, indulge yourself. Mesclun greens are a mix of young salad leaves. They offer a variety of colors, textures, and flavors. You'll find leaves like arugula, chard, spinach, and more. Each leaf brings something unique to the salad. Arugula has a peppery bite. Chard adds a slightly sweet flavor. Spinach is mild and earthy. The combination creates a complex and satisfying taste. Mesclun greens are delicate and tender. They need a light touch. Don't overdress them. You want to taste the fresh, vibrant flavors of the greens. Black truffles are a culinary treasure. They are rare and expensive. Their earthy, musky aroma is unmistakable. Truffles grow underground near tree roots. They are hunted using trained dogs or pigs. The process is time-consuming and requires expertise. This is why truffles are so highly priced. Truffles are best enjoyed fresh. Their flavor fades quickly. You only need a small amount to make a big impact. A few shavings over your salad will transform the dish. Section 4. Truffle vinaigrette, a luxurious dressing. The truffle vinaigrette is the heart of this salad. It's what brings all the flavors together. The base is a simple vinaigrette. Olive oil, vinegar, salt, and pepper. The magic happens when you add the truffle oil. Truffle oil is infused with the aroma of black truffles. It adds a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. Don't overdo the truffle oil. A little goes a long way. You want the truffle flavor to complement the salad, not overpower it. Section 5. Conclusion. A special occasion salad. Mesclun salad with truffle vinaigrette is a true indulgence. It's a dish that's meant to be savored. The combination of fresh, flavorful greens and the earthy aroma of truffles is simply divine. It's a salad that's perfect for a special occasion. It's a way to treat yourself and your guests to something truly special. Don't be intimidated by the luxury of this dish. You can easily recreate this salad at home. The ingredients are readily available. Follow the tips above, and you'll be able to impress everyone with your culinary skills. So go ahead, give it a try. You won't be disappointed, too.